ខ្ញុំមកឈ្មោះលេដុល្លារខ្ញុំមានចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍ចង់បង្ហាញទៅលើប្រធានបទមួយគឺពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងជីវភាពរបស់កុមារដែលបានលក់កាសនៅតាមដងវិថីនៅក្នុងពិភពលោកយើងសពថ្ងៃនេះគឺមានបញ្ហាជាច្រើនដែលកំពុងតែកើតឡើងហើយប្រឈមមុខជាមួយនឹងមនុស្សជាពិសេសគឺបញ្ហាដែលកើតឡើងនិងប្រឈមមុខជាមួយនឹងកុមារគួរឲ្យកត់សម្គាល់នៅក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជាកុមារគឺជាសេចក្តីសង្ឃឹមហើយនឹងជាអនាគតរបស់ប្រទេសជាតិដោយឡែកនៅតាមតំបន់ភ្លើងស្តុបមួយចំនួនយើងសង្កេតឃើញថាមានកុមារជាច្រើនដែលជីវភាពរបស់ពួកគាត់គឺកំពុងតែជួបប្រទះនូវភាពលំបាកធ្វើឲ្យជីវិតរបស់ពួកគាត់គឺមានភាពខុសស្ដាច់ស្រឡះពីជីវិតរបស់កុមារដទៃទៀតដូច្នេះសូមទៅមើលពីជីវិតរបស់ពួកគាត់ទាំងអស់គ្នា
នៅដល់ពេលឲ្យខ្ញុំបងប្អូនមាន2នាក់ម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំលក់ដូរគ្រឿងក្លែមឥឡូវគាត់ឈប់លុយគាត់អត់មានលុយទៅគាត់មកលក់ការដល់ពេលឲ្យរៀនបានសាលាពាក់កណ្ដាលទៅដល់ពេលឲ្យឈប់បងខ្ញុំឈប់ដែរគាត់រៀនថ្នាក់ទី5បាទខ្ញុំរកបន្ទោដប់ងើបពេលយប់ទៅគាត់មករើសផ្កាឲ្យដល់ពេលងាកឡើងគាត់នាំខ្ញុំលក់ការលក់ខ្លះម៉ោងបិទស្តុបទៅដល់ពេលឲ្យម៉ោង9អីម៉ោង8ក្រាណាទៅលក់ដាច់អស់ចូលម៉ោងក្រាណាអីគេជួយទិញអីគេអាទួច3ដល់ពេលឲ្យអាធំ2ឲ្យគេឲ្យ10000ទៅលក់អត់ទៅដល់ពេលជិះទៅផ្ទះចង់រៀនអង់គ្លេសដល់ពេលហើយចង់រៀនខ្មែរទៀតចង់ដែរប៉ុន្តែចង់តែបានរៀនសូត្រតែខ្ញុំថាចាអីគេយកអីយកទៅតែក៏ឲ្យខ្ញុំរៀនសូត្រឲ្យចេះពេលខ្ញុំឡើងចង់ធ្វើការអូពីខ្ញុំឈ្មោះចែម៉ាក់បាខ្ញុំរត់ទៅដល់ហើយខ្ញុំលក់ការម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំគាត់អង្គុយមើលខ្ញុំលក់ចំណេញបានមួយថ្ងៃមាន50000រួចថ្លៃផ្ទះគេជួផ្ទះនៅក្រោយសាលាតិចណូខ្ញុំចង់ចូលរៀនហើយគាត់មកខ្ញុំសូមចូលរៀនខ្ញុំធ្លាប់រៀននៅសាលារដ្ឋថ្នាក់ទី5ម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំនៅអ្នកលឿងប៉ាខ្ញុំនៅពេញឥឡូវខ្ញុំមករៀបការមកពេញខ្ញុំលក់តាំងពីម៉ោង7ដល់ម៉ោង9 10ហើយញ៉ាំបាយនៅនោះខ្ញុំអាយុ13ឆ្នាំខ្ញុំនៅតែបានរៀនអង្គុយងើបពីថោកប្រឡំមកលក់ឲ្យទៅផ្ទះវិញឲ្យគេ
ថ្ងៃនេះគ្នាមកលក់ជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃទេលក់ប្រចាំកាយរៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃចាប់ពីម៉ោង8កន្លះផឹកដល់ទៅម៉ោង10យប់បើមានផ្ទះនិយាយរួមអ្នកមកអញ្ចឹងវាត្រូវតែប៉ះពាល់ដល់សង្គមហើយព្រោះអ្នកខ្លះគេស្អប់ពើគាត់គេថាប៉ះពាល់សង្គមគេអាណិតគេអត់ថាអត់ប៉ះពាល់ដល់សង្គមទេគេអាណិតខាងគាត់ហ្នឹងព្រោះគ្នាអត់ដល់គ្នាម្ដងបើគ្នាមានគ្នាម្ដងធ្វើចឹងទេពេលប្រហែលគាត់មកនាំកូនមកធម្មតាចឹងលុបការធម្មតាចឹងដល់ពេលល្ងាចមក4 5គាត់អត់កូនទៅរៀនទេគាត់តាមបរទេសមកតាមថាគាត់មកពួកខាងបរទេសអាណិតគាត់ពួកគាត់អត់មកលុបការតាមស្តុបអីចឹងណានៅគាត់ធ្វើគាត់ពិបាកអញ្ចឹងមកពេលឃើញបរទេសជប់ឲ្យលុយកាក់ឲ្យក្មេងអញ្ចឹងមានវេលាដេញឲ្យឈប់ញ៉ៃអញ្ចឹងមានខ្ញុំយល់ចេះមួយថាពួកគាត់មិនអាចជួបប្រកបបានទេព្រោះពួកខាងគាត់អត់ណាគាត់ខ្វះខាតច្រើនដល់គ្នាអត់បានរកណាគ្នាអត់មានបរិភោគទេតែការខ្វះខាតឬត្រូវស្បីប៉ូលីសដេញចាប់គ្នាផាត់ពេញមិនក៏គ្នាត្រូវមកដែរព្រោះគ្នាអត់ណាដល់ធ្វើមិនមុខបងនេះប៉ុណ្ណឹងដល់អញ្ចឹងគ្នាទៅឲ្យបានមានចាប់ឲ្យបងទៅអត់គ្នាអត់សម្រាប់តែអត់មកថ្ងៃវាជាក់ពេកណាគេមកទីថ្ងៃណាពេលឆ្នាំថ្ងៃច្រើន
Good evening. My name is Chola. We're gonna ask you about have you ever worked with Cambodian children board?
In the Cambodian children project specifically, no. But I've worked in a children's project in Colombia when I was in high school. And I lived in Bogota, which is the capital of Colombia. And the project was about getting children educated in health issues. So things like poor children, of course. We would go to the poor neighborhoods in Bogota, which are really poor, and they will teach children how to brush their teeth and have proper hygiene habits, washing their hands, washing using shampoo, basically also going to their houses and seeing how things are being done and recommending, more sanitary ways of doing things. That was basically the main goal of the project. It's not shocking because in Colombia you also see children that are homeless, but not as many as here. And also you know how you see them in different ages. They're very young sometimes. They're older. They're either selling flowers, or they're just begging, or they're selling postcards. And they basically operate, in masses, and they go to you 3 or 4 or 5 children, which is something that I never seen when they start asking for money or start asking for something in return on the postcards, or if it is on the street, like on the street itself, in traffic lights, children, selling flowers and stuff. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And Dalai, did you have any question to ask him?
Good evening. Okay, related to the conversation at the moment, I just want to ask you some question that related to some project in street children. Here you supposed to have the street children in
Yeah, definitely. If there's a project with the children, I'll be more than willing to support it. And the reason is that the children are the future, right? And as long as you're able to help the children, you're maximizing the effect they're going to have in society, because this child is going to be growing up and be productive for many, many years. So when you provide this type of programs to children, is the best bet you have to help society.
Thank you for that. And second, do you have any recommendation in the children project? If you have time, or when you win a good opportunity, do you have any recommendation for our generation in street children?
Yeah, definitely. I think the main thing is that the project will need to focus on getting children off the streets, because it's dangerous, right? These children are living on the streets, or either they are being abused by adults, or they're getting used to begging, which is not a good habit to have. These children are forming themselves as adults, and their value system is to be one that is more about work and more about being able to sustain themselves instead of being begging for help. So, and they have all the tools to do it. They have a full, they have a brain, they have everything to function in society. I guess that's the first thing. The second thing I would focus on, of course, would be education. Education not only on subjects that maybe subjects that are more tangible and more useful for them as they grow up. So things like history or culture, something that's more practical. So if they need to have knowledge of certain tasks or certain something, they just put them into that, because that way it's more realistic for them to be able to function in society and be able to be productive, more productive faster, basically. So I'll focus on education and on skills that will provide them a good job in the future.
Okay. Overall, do you have any message for the society about the street children? The message.
Yeah, totally. I think that society will need to, if there's something that they will have to do to help and to break the poverty cycle, the poverty is, how the poverty cycle. People are poor, they keep being poor because there's less chance of them getting out of that environment. Is to focus on the children. That's it. The adults, they are important, but the children are more and more important because their values, everything is just being formed. And if you have strong values in your population, that's the first thing that you can incorporate in someone for in the future have better institutions, and better institutions will be progress for everybody. So that's I think the main thing is children, the main thing is education, and getting off the streets.
Okay, thank you for extensive instruction and
Right.
okay,
Thank you. No problem. Thank you.
ការប៉ັດណាកុមារគឺស្ថិតនៅក្នុងវ័យដែលទទួលបាននៅការលូតលាស់ទទួលបាននៅឱកាសស្មើគ្នាទទួលបាននៅឱកាសការសិក្សារៀនសូត្រពីសំណាក់ក្រុមគ្រួសារសហគមន៍និងសង្គមជាតិយើងក៏ទុយទៅវិញយើងក៏លេចឃើញថាកុមារនៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជាមួយចំនួនកំពុងតែប្រឈមនឹងការប្រកបរបរចិញ្ចឹមជីវិតដូចជាការលក់ការនៅតាមផ្លូវស្តុបដែលទាំងនេះគឺជាបញ្ហាដែលកម្ពុជាកំពុងតែជួបប្រទះហើយកម្ពុជាកំពុងតែត្រូវការដោះស្រាយបញ្ហាទាំងអស់នេះដោយគណៈពេលដែលខ្លួនកំពុងតែពង្រីកខ្លួននៅក្នុងតំបន់និងពិភពលោកការដោះស្រាយបញ្ហានិងការចូលរួមគាំទ្រអំពីសំណាក់រាជរដ្ឋាភិបាលសង្គមស៊ីវិលអង្គការជាតិនិងអន្តរជាតិប្រជាពលរដ្ឋជាពិសេសសំណាក់ក្រុមគ្រួសាររបស់កុមារគឺជាកត្តាសំខាន់ណាស់ដើម្បីជួយឲ្យកុមារទទួលបាននូវឱកាសស្មើគ្នាទទួលបាននូវការការពារនិងការថែទាំជាពិសេសគឺទទួលបាននូវឱកាសក្នុងការទទួលបាននូវការសិក្សារៀនសូត្រនាពេលអនាគតរបស់ខ្លួនសូមចូលរួមในការការពារកុមារក្រោមស្មារតីការពារកុមារគឺការពារមនុស្សជាតិអភិវឌ្ឍកុមារគឺអភិវឌ្ឍកម្ពុជានិងអភិវឌ្ឍពិភពលោកចូលរួមទាំងអស់គ្នាដើម្បីកុមារកម្ពុជា